In most instances, BMWs with an automatic transmission will feature a sport mode. To take a look at this feature, we'll be using a 3 Series sedan. To engage sport mode, put the transmission into drive and then pull the shifter to the left until it locks in position, and DS is displayed on the instrument cluster. In sport mode, gear shifts are quicker and will occur at higher RPMs for a livelier performance feel. The driver also has the ability to manually select the transmission shift points. To upshift, simply pull the selector rearward. To downshift, push the selector forward. The selected gear will be displayed in the instrument cluster. For example, when in first gear, M1 will appear. Moving the gear shifter to the right returns to drive.